What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ron, and I'm back with another video, man. And today is the 4th of July. You know, happy Independence Day to y'all. Hope y'all enjoying y'all time with y'all families. Eat a lot of barbecue, man. But yeah, we downtown with about to watch a fireworks show, man. About to get some good clips in for y'all, you know what I'm saying? And I missed the firework show last year, so I was like, hell no, I ain't missing this year. So yeah, man, we out here. Lots of people out here. You know, hopefully it's a good ass show. And we not just here for like 5 hours. But usually be alright. But hopefully this time is good. It is packed out here. Look at the lines. Look at the lines to these places. Look at the fucking lines. It's crazy that these people stand in these lines, but shit. Fuck it. You got the casino with it. You know, the fireworks probably coming from back over there, right over the Mississippi River. You know, it just packed as fuck. Hopefully don't let me crazy happen out here. Kids running down and shit. Everybody having a good time. Alright, y'all, let's shut my lights out. Hopefully it's gonna finally start to see some. We've been waiting for like 15 minutes, so hopefully.
Shit, no, like 30.
30?
30.
Fuck no, right? Fuck, you talking about 30? Nah, they need to start right now. Start right now. Finally, it started. We got an alright spot. These trees blocking away from them, but they kind of up there. We had to get the fuck down there. They had a whole bunch of bugs. You see all these bugs and shit? We had to get the fuck, man. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Man, these bugs are still getting you. That came and got a better spot. Now you can see all of that. You can see it right from where they're shooting it from, right on the boat on the river. That's pretty dope. Damn, they loud. They got the best view over there. We're playing copyright music in here. It's all good though. How do I do the damn? Right, yeah.
What you trying to do?
I shot that shit for this video, man. If y'all want to see more, y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all go like, comment, subscribe, share, and I hope y'all had a happy 4th, man. Peace.